So I'm sure that we all like to have such pretty titles on our videos, but we know the gist that what all it will take. After Effects and the Roto brush. Although the Roto brush is a highly versatile tool which creates numerous possibilities to add effects to our videos, but using it just for a basic title like that you see on the screen can be a task. So in this video, I'll show you a simple 3-minute or so trick to do it very easily in Premiere Pro. So here you can see this board and the people in it are moving above the text, whereas the scenery in the background remains behind the text. This is giving a beautiful multi-dimensional feel and a professional touch to the whole scene. To do this, let me create a new sequence to explain it to you from the scratch. From the project window, select the footage which you want to add the title to. Preferably choose a clip which has a clearer background like this, with a fixed frame and just the subject moving, which you can eventually get passing over your title. There is a small catch here. The trick is dependent upon a few characteristics of the footage. The moving subject should be of a different color than the background, and the background should not have too many colors in it. So now create a new legacy title layer, type in your title, choose a font and size to suit your style. I personally like minimal and clean fonts with a bold style. So here I have chosen Arial Black, which is a default font, and the color I am choosing here is mustard yellow. It's a very catchy color, as you all must have seen before too. So adjust the speed of your footage along with the duration of your title. Now here what we want is to have these heads moving over the text. So for that, create a copy of the footage and place it over the title file. Now we have two layers of the same footage, and our objective is to use the lower layer, which is below the title on the timeline, to remain below as it is on the screen as well. And the layer above it should have just the moving objects masked out from the background and passing over the text. For this, we will use the color key effect. Now choose the color key effect and apply it to the uppermost layer of the footage. Here from the color picker, we will select the background color, which covers the most of the text area. And now increase the color tolerance gradually to see the magic happening. Let me zoom in and show it to you. Now here you can see, after zooming in, some parts of the moving subjects are also masked out, but we can rectify it by adjusting the tolerance value back and forth. And if there are more colors in the background mixing with the mask, you can add another color key effect and repeat the process by selecting the other color too. This should work for most of the wide shots having sea and sky in the background. However, for more busy backgrounds like a landscape or some other background which has multiple colors, you will have to resort to After Effects only. So here it was. I hope this was helpful.